Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We're heading, oh yeah, we just hit the after hours. Yeah, I was just gonna tell you guys that we are about to go into the after hours. Well, we are there already, and today we are going to talk about Sidus Space. I hope that's the right pronunciation. And today the stock went up 51%. Actually, at one point today, the stock was actually up more than 122%. And then it later dropped down to 51.78. And now in the after hours, it is down about close to 4 percentage points, trading at $2.89. So, what actually happened with this company today? Well, it turns out that they have just signed a major contract with an Indian space company, and they signed a memorandum of understanding. So, from what that you can infer from that, it's that they will be launching satellites built by the Indian company, or the Indian company will be bringing new business to Sidus Space. Now, Sidus Space Inc. operates as a space as a service company. It focuses on commercial satellite designing, manufacturing, launch, and data collection to demonstrate space operations for new technologies and to deliver data and predictive analytics to both domestic and global customers. The company was founded by Carol M. Craig on July 17th, 2012, and is headquartered in Merritt Island, Florida. The listed name for SIDU is Sidus Space Inc. Class A common stock, and the company has about 37 employees. So that was some really big news, because if you think about it right now, with what's going on between Russia and Ukraine and the global embargo that has been placed on Russia, pretty much SpaceX is the only operation out there that can deliver astronauts to the International Space Station and reliably bring them back to Earth like they demonstrated yesterday. So every new player in this segment is very important. The other thing to think that you have to bear in mind is that there is another service that's coming up, is creeping up on us, but not many people are talking about it. It is called Starlink, which is a constellation of many thousands of satellites in low Earth orbit that are being launched by a company owned by Elon Musk that is called SpaceX. And I think that with time, a lot of the internet and even telephonic connections will be made by Starlink. So the Indian subcontinent, of course, it's many millions of people there, very well educated, and those people will be needing connectivity to the internet, either for entertainment, business, healthcare, or for other reasons. And in the modern world, you cannot do without the internet. So that presents an opportunity. Maybe this Indian company is looking forward to collaborating with Sidus Space, and in the mid to long term start launching its own satellite service so that they can broadcast the internet from space. It's all a toss up. We don't know too much about it, but they have this memorandum of understanding, which means that it would likely become with some kind of maybe cash injection and contracts, which would allow Sidus Space to be able to fund its activities until they actually get big commercial operations going. I don't know how far they are advanced. I haven't really checked much on the company, but I would imagine that, being that they have been in operation since about 2012, that they must actively be taking part in satellite launches that we see take place from Cape Canaveral in Florida. So that's what we have, guys. Up 51%, down 4.6% in the after hours. Thanks for joining me. I will catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and to subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.